Wood and Sons. Pattern is Orient, and this is a 9-inch dessert or salad plate, not quite the sort of size of a dinner plate, which would have been at 9.75 through to around 10.5 inch diameter, but a plain rimmed English dessert or salad plate. Just look at the glaze reflection on that before we go any further. Hardly a mark on it, which is very unusual to find. Most of this was made during the 1920s, 30s. The very last piece we've found is up to the 1940s. Still got some stickers on here. I should have cleaned those off before videoing it, but those aren't marks in the actual glaze, which is in fine condition. Let's show you the underside of this piece. Nice patina, triple embossed linear mould detailing on the underside, and an early Wood and Sons England Orient. There's no date stamp on this, which is quite unusual. Most of them did have date stamps. I think this is an early piece, probably from the 1920s, and I'm going on this design here and the patina of age on the base. 3 kiln support marks, 1, 2, and there's the third one on the underside, and the glaze again in really nice fine condition. No crazing or cracking or staining on any portion of this plate. Rims in really fine condition. I don't think this one's been used very much. Probably a display piece for most or if all of its life. We've got a cake plate very similar to this. We've got a serving bowl or fruit bowl, some side plates, and one single trio of Orient, a teacup, saucer and side plate available for sale currently that I'm listing on the website. So do have a browse if you are looking for a specific piece of Wood and Sons Orient from the 1920s through to 1930s, late 1930s, very, very early 1940s. Website link description below will take you through. If you'd like to find out further details, please do so. Thanks for watching.